You know, if this was a guide on how not to put a repeater antenna up, I think I'd be checking every box. Okay, let's do some antenna work. I'm gonna need, we're gonna need some tools. Garage is a mess. A mess. Whose fault is that? Probably mine. I'll get the right drawer one of these times, I swear. There we go. We're getting there. 17. I don't know what size we need, so I should probably just use pliers. But I won't. Chances are it's metric. I could bring all of the wrenches. I feel like that's really dumb though. There's a 13. I'll bring, I know I probably need a 13. I'll bring 2 13s. I don't know where all my pliers are. I got these, but that's, yeah, sure, I'll bring those too. Leave the phone in here so it doesn't get wet and ruined. And I think we're good here. I don't think we'll need the hammer. I'm gonna get all the way up on the roof and the pliers are not gonna be the ticket. You just watch. I think this is the right size or something. It's a 7. There's a reason this is on this ratchet. Oh look, a glove. I'll wear a glove. Do I have 2 of them? I do. 2 gloves. Hell yeah. They smell weird. Oh well. And then snips and a knife. Bitchin'. That antenna needs to come down and that antenna needs to get unhooked. That's gonna be the hard one. Cool. Super, super excited. Oh, jeez. This ladder's not light. Woo! Wire. Unhook. There you go. Let's see, should I do it from the roof? Probably. I don't know. Let's try it. Jesus. Let's try it over here. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, that's safe. Very safe. What could possibly go wrong here? This is retarded. But that's how I do things. I definitely need more angle. That looks good, actually. You need to come off of this pole. This is going to be very heavy. Those look like 13s to me. Wow, that's going to be heavy, isn't it? Well, only one way to do it is just do it. Right? Loosen the bottom one first. Oh yeah, they're 13s. I don't know why I put the ladder here. I don't know if that was the smartest thing in the world. It just felt right. I feel like if I loosen one side, it'll be enough. And then I just gotta untorque it. If it starts to fall, I'm just dropping it, so. The only thing holding this in these mounts right now is the torque. It's loose, the friction's loose. The side-to-side torque is the only thing holding it. Yeah, see? So, that's good. I don't know why I put the ladder here. I really think that's retarded. I think that's the dumbest thing I've done all day. That's good. Okay. Don't fall. Okay, I'll just step on that and slide off the roof. That one seems loose. So does that one. Can we? Not loose enough, apparently. There it goes. Oh wow, that is wobbly. There it goes. Whew. Yeah. The whole torque thing. It's really torquey. Torquey. Like Torquey the pig, you know? I'm gonna set it down a little bit. Whew. Ever one-handed 16 feet of conduit with an 8-foot antenna on top? No? Well, I don't recommend it, so. Come on, go down. There it goes. This fucker's wobbly. My arms are already tired. I would love for this to come out of the pipe. I'm stupid and put the ladder against it though. You know, for extra challenge. There we go. Okay. Wow, that's wobbly. Alright, we're gonna lower it down. Okay. Man. It's not heavy, it's just wobbly. And then there, we'll look at my damaged antenna. Oh God. Sorry, Yagi. I guess if I just lean it. Like that, it'll stay. I really wanted to get the coax off of this one, but I don't feel up for that. So I'm not gonna. We'll just leave it connected. Let's climb the death trap down. Yay! Okay. Oh man, that was really stupid. That's fine. So this one has to get reconnected to coax and then go somewhere else. Probably in the satellite dish mount over there. So that means we need to pull the business end down. Jesus. Fucker's longer than it looks, isn't it? Need to work on the business end. My coax ripped out of the connector. Take a brief intermission. I'll be right back. We're back. Oh, this one's still. That fucker's on there, huh? There we go. Here's the culprit to all my problems. Spider webs. I don't think this should be rotating. First of all. Maybe it should. Maybe. I don't see a set screw or anything. No, there's definitely supposed to be a set screw. Yeah, I see the set screw. Okay, so we need an Allen. Got it. There we go. Okay, pretty sure this is an N adapter. Yeah. Good news is there's no water in there, so it's raining, so I'm gonna loosely put that back on for a second. We need N. Okay, I think we are going to compromise for now. And it's gonna go on the ground, and then that's gonna be a mid support because I don't want to screw with it. So, got a pin for the mount. I'd like to take this part off. Got some hose clamps. And some rope and some zip ties. Okay, there we go. Trying to add a guy rope here. It's not gonna be great. It'll be something. And then I'll see where I'll take it. I'll take it to one of these gutter mounts. Not the gutter mounts, those are sharp. Probably take it over by the garage. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take it up to this mount here. Put that there. I need the ladder. Off the death trap. Yeah, that probably won't go anywhere. Maybe. Maybe we'll move it. Yeah. I'll bring this up with me. Oh, I need to clean the gutters, huh? Okay, I don't need that part of the rope anymore. You know, if this was a guide on how not to put a repeater antenna up, I think I'd be checking every box. Yeah, every box. I might as well disconnect this while I'm up here because it's got to come down anyway. Oh, good. It's the whole thing's unscrewing from the switch box. I'll have to use pliers on that one. Good brother. There we go. Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ah, that is tight. At least I did that right. Okay, bring that choke down with me at least. Yeah. Okay, that's it. She's done.